see a guy take pictures of the sunset.
And where's my moon? Let's find my moon.
Super cool.
Where is the moon? Hey, Henry! Henry, where's the moon? There's the moon right there. Thank you, Henry. Did you see the moon, Emily? Come on. Where's his moon?
Hey, I bet you can't run me over.
Ooh, look, fighting bug.
Come on.
Cool. Are you really taking video on